Hey guys, so I'm gonna make this laddoo, coconut laddoo, and this is coconut with milk, and I took some apart, and then this is coconut if you can't see, and then you take this and then just like roll, and if it's a little too little, then you take some more, and then put it in, and then it's okay if it comes in, then just keep doing that, and then it'll spread in. And then put this in the coconut, and then just roll it around a little bit. And you're done. So this is how it'll look like. And this is very good. And happy Diwali, and subscribe to this channel and leave a notification bell.